3:30 in the morning. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, daily market preview for Wednesday, the 25th of July, 2018. All right, and trading involves risk of loss of capital, and you can find out who I am right here. And today, Wednesday, new home sales out at 10 a.m. and the petroleum report at 10:30. All right, earnings calendar. A couple of them that reported last night that bear watching. iRobot and Knowles, KN, both looks like they're moving against the last, gapping up work, backing up quite a bit, and had high short interest. And RHI and TER were both gapping up, but had only medium to low short interest. I did not check the stuff this morning because obviously I slept till just a few minutes ago. I'm a happy camper. Okay, let's check out the markets. There's treasure everywhere, so let's see if we can find some. Okay, looking at the US dollar. US dollar still stuck in that range between 94 and 95 and a half, and we're near the bottom. I'm thinking we're going to get another move up. And gold. Gold's up $6 this morning. Still nothing that I'm going to be excited about. I would actually love to see a rally to the 1240 level and then it fail so we can go short. Okay. I skipped over crude. Crude-a-Rudy is using up all of its energy just to kind of maintain where it's at. We're not really going anywhere. There's some... I guess there's something on the horizon that potentially could cause oil to go, and it's a non-fundamental reason, and that's if the United States embargo on Iranian oil actually takes gets some legs, and the Iranians are now doing the saber rattling, saying, well, fine, if you're going to cut off our oil, we're going to cut off the Straits of Hormuz and shut it down, and shut down 40% of the world's oil that goes through there. All right, U.S. 10-year is backing off a little bit this morning. They're basically doing kind of a bull flag here at 2.939. It would help if I put on my glasses, wouldn't it? Let's go to the S&P. S&P backing off just a little bit, but right now, I'm not concerned. It's just backing off a little bit. NASDAQ, flat. Going sideways. Stochastics RSI look ready to curl up. Russell, flat. Had a pretty nasty candle yesterday. Came back right down to the volume point of control right here around 1680. If we break this level, we got some distance to fall to the downside. So right now, the Stochastics RSI, we can dip down just a fraction and go back up, or we could go sideways. Those are the only two bullish conditions that I'll allow. Dow's down almost 100. It had a couple of earnings misses out there. One was Boeing. Don't remember what the other one was, but was it Government Motors? Anyway, they didn't like the results. Transports, a nasty bearish engulfing candle, and Stochastics RSI is rolling over. We could just as easily go back down to this 188 in the volume point of control without any difficulty whatsoever. The VIX is elevated just a little bit this morning, but it's still under 13. Not really much of anything to get excited about right now, but hey, that's it. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this, get that out of the way. And let's go over some trade ideas for the day. And you can see if you go over here to, well, let's copy this into the room here. That'll give you the charts on FinViz. And I do like Eli Lilly and maybe Avery. Honeywell is working, and that's pretty much it. Let's go over those stocks. And here we go. ALDR, move up to the resistance level. We did kind of a W, and there's the handle over here. Yesterday wasn't great. It hasn't negated anything on this move unless we get below a close below 1775-ish. Then I'll remove that from the watch list. Avery, ABY, reported earnings yesterday. Looks for a 45-degree move up. And area chart says it does have some room, maybe to the 118s or mid-teens here. And you can see 118 to 120. So I could see that happening. Short squeeze. I believe that one had a reasonably high short interest as well. Diplomed still on the list in this consolidation pattern right here. Area chart. You know, if we get over and get going, get a little bit of traction here, 860 becomes $10 in a heartbeat. That's why it's on the list. HOLX looking for a breakout above 42 and a half. Sorry, 42 and a quarter, and really the target levels are in the 40s, the mid 40s at the outset. Honeywell. Initial target's about 157 with ultimately 165. Maybe a little late in the game here, so I'm going to hold off. Maybe if we get a sideways move, I can get in, but I should have gotten in on day 2. Eli Lilly, really love this one. Move up. No high short interest or anything like that, but let's look at the area chart, and you can see here, clear skies above. Let's go to daily. Medco, it's hanging around for this pop out of the box baby, and we're looking at balance of power is getting a little bit better. And here's what is a surprise. Oracle. It reported and gapped down, and it's recovered kind of silently below the radar for me. But if it gets over this $49 level, it goes up to 50s pretty quickly due to the gaps. All right. PFE. Over 37.75 goes to 39. Perrigo, PRGO, rounded bottom breakout. Well, wannabe, because it's only 7.5% up to this $83 level, but I'd take it. So again, a wannabe. And United Technologies may or may not want to do this one unless it goes sideways for maybe a day, and the target would be somewhere around 138. Okay, that should be okay. Where we got, and there's a trial offer. I put that out and put out the fact that we do an open house until through the 31st of August. Hit and run candlesticks.webinato.com/room 3. All right, you guys have a wonderful day.